All right, today we're going to be going over the Rockwell 6S. This, to me, this razor right here made me a better shaver. So if you're looking to up your game a little bit and you want a better shave, I mean, there's even a little brother to this, which is the Rockwell 6C. I'll leave the links below. I think right now there's a 20% off through Father's Day at Rockwell. So take advantage of that. I'll leave that link and the code below. In today's video, I'm going to be using the Darko Platinums. One of the members or subscribers sent these to me, wanted me to try them out. So I'm going to try that out today on a 6-plate. I'm going to be going in with some Arion & Evans, which is my absolute favorite soap. If you haven't tried their soap, you need to jump on it. I'm going to grab my timeless adjustable brush here with a G5C knot in it. One of my favorites. And I'm just going to go on dry here. Now, one of the big things that I think I do differently than most people is I take a shower. I was amazed to see how many people actually did a pre-shave routine. And taking a shower is huge, brother. If you don't have the time, make some time. And just to see the difference in your shave, especially if you're struggling. If you're not struggling, well, then don't worry about it. So, again, this Arion & Evans is so easy. To get up a big bulky lather. Now I have about 4 days of growth, so quite a bit of growth going on right now. So I like to wet it, rub it in there, and now I like to load my equipment. That way I'm giving the soap time to sit on my face. Key to getting a good shave. These comes in a 10-pack here. Now again, I've never tried these blades, and I'm going to give them a whir here, or I'm going to give them a whip. And does it have any glue on it? No, it does not. I'm digging it already. So I like to shave on the 6-plate. So Rockwell, this is a 3-piece razor. You know, whatever plate is showing, that's the razor setting that you're using. So I like to just pinch it on the side. Oops. Pinch it on the side, load it on the top. All right, so it's seated in there well. 6-plate showing, just drop that right on top, and then screw on the handle. I tell you what, this thing's like a tank. It's so hard to beat this razor. It's so freaking good. So I'm going to set that aside. Now I'm just going to go back down here with a little more water to build this up a little bit, help lift up the hairs on my face. And if you're not face lathering and you're bowl lathering, make sure to work that shaving cream into your face, into your skin, and help lift up them hairs. That is another key point to getting a good shave. So you don't have to necessarily do what I do and do a face lather. I just think it's easier to create a lather on my face than having to do it in a bowl, right? And then put it on my face and do the same thing. It just, I don't know. To me, it's a wasted step. But, you know, people that sell bowls, you know, they're using bowls all the time. I'm telling you, you need a bowl lather. Well, I don't sell shit. All right, so going in with the first pass here, Rockwell 6S 6-plate with these new Platinum, Prime Platinums by Darko. Oh yeah, Bubba. So freaking good, my friend. Wow. I mean, just wow. If you're struggling with your shave and you've bought a cheap razor, I'm telling you, if you go up and buy a razor like this caliber, you're going to see big improvements because it's going to make you a better shaver. Plain and simple. It's going to make you a better shaver. Notice I'm leaving my arm straight here. I'm not flinging it because I'm trying to get a perfect shave. If I fling it, that's when I start to get irritation underneath here. Let's go on this side over here. I mean, that's just so crunchy. This razor has such a good audible feedback. I mean, it's just undeniably that good. Yeah, buddy. I can already tell it's going to be a good shave. A little bit left there. Not much. Let's go around the top here. Cutting this in a little bit different today. My chin is all scarred up from riding bikes and swimming. I've had stitches in my chin probably 5 or 6 times. That's why I always have facial hair on my chin. It's just all scarred up. A little flavor saver there. All right, we'll call that good. Let's give this a rinse. Probably going to do 2 passes here. The blade, I don't think it's as good as a Comfort Coat or, I mean, obviously a AccuThrive or AccuForge is way better than that. A little smoother, but you know, it got through it. But first pass with a AccuForge blade, I pretty much could have got that almost BBS. Nice thing is, this thing cleans out so good. It beads up. I mean, it's just a wonderful razor. All right, just real quickly, my face is so slick from this Ariana and Evans. I'm not going to have to build this big and bulky anymore. I'm just going to, you know, fly through this last shave here. So, against the grain. On my cheeks here. I'm going to switch it up. Go against the grain here. I mean, the razor's just so good. So good. Okay. All right. Let's give that a rinse. I'm going to switch this to cold water now. As always, going in with an alum block. All natural product here. You want to wet your face. Wet this with cold water. And just go to town on your face. Yeah. Little tingle underneath here, but a tingle, not a sting, a tingle. A sting for me is a, oh, yeah, that's a sting for me. I must have got a little aggressive up here when I was trying to cut in that mustache, because it does sting there. Definitely not a tingle, but almost a flawless shave. Now you're going to want to rinse that stuff off your face. I say this every time. Okay. Doesn't take much. Pat your face dry. I go right in with Thayer's, this facial toner. What this toner is going to do is help moisturize your skin. And then when I put my aftershave on top of it, it's going to melt right in. It's just a beautiful product. I'm going to go in with one of my all-time favorites here. This Rockwell shaving balm. If you haven't tried it, it's my number one. I can honestly say that. I use this more than anything else. Put it on where you shaved. I just did a head shave before I jumped in the shower, so I'm going to apply it up there as well. But, yeah, what a good result. So, Rockwell 6S, if you're looking to up your game and you're tired of getting shitty shaves from that cheap, inexpensive razor you've been using, Or I don't even care if you paid, $100 for a razor. Just because something's expensive does not mean it's good for you. And I've tried expensive razors that I absolutely hate. I don't think they shave very well. Welcome to Rockwell Razors. This 6S right here, I think you can get it for $108. You might be able to get it for $100 now, 20% off. But good Lord, buddy, this will make you a better shaver. Well, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next week at 11 a.m. on Sunday. Have a great week.
Come on, America.